All right. So if you're anything like me, you bought a water fountain from Michael's or Amazon. I got this at Michael's, but I know you can also get them on Amazon. And it comes in this box here, and I'm sitting here looking at it, and these are the only two sets of instructions. Basically, in all these different languages, but nothing that shows a diagram of how to actually do it. You can see it's in multiple different languages, which is great if you're in a different language, but okay, let's go ahead and see how to set this up. So my assumption is that obviously based on plugging this in, this is the pump. So I'm going to connect this to the bottom here. So let's go ahead and see how that looks. So as you can see, I've got this now plugged into the little tube here, and I'm going to put the LED up, and let's see how that looks. So I'm going to take this little LED, put it in the other tube, right? So let's see how that turns out. So I've plugged it in, and without water, I've actually started to test it. You can see the LED there. Looks just like the diagram. Obviously there's different varieties of fountains, but I can't believe this doesn't come with diagrams and instructions. So I'm guessing it's something like this. We'll see. We've got a little bit of water in there. I don't think it's completely submersing the pump. So I'll try that one more time. So it's working and it looks pretty good. So yeah, you just connect those tubes with the LED. Obviously there's variations, as I said before. One thing about this, don't be surprised if it doesn't come with enough rocks. I have to buy more rocks because that's just not that's simply not enough rocks, and it's not as advertised. But it does work. So the pump is underneath there in the water, connected to the tube, and that's how that works. So there you go, guys.